Hi, so today we are going to see how we can solve this lead code question that is set mismatch. And there is a similar question too. Just let you know that this is the similar question. Find all the numbers disappeared in the array. It's totally similar. Only a single line have to be the change and rest of the code will be the same. I will make a video later on for this too. For now, let's see this question. What they have given us a nums array, okay, from 1 to n, and what also they have mentioned that a number have gotten been duplicated, okay, a number have been got duplicated, like you can see over here this example 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 4, and you can see the 2 have appeared here twice. That means 3 have gone missing from here and 2 is been duplicated in that place. And if you see this second question also 1 comma 1, that means here 2 has been missing, okay. And here they have been asked us output in the two digit array. First position will be occupied by the number that have occurred twice, and the second position will be occurred by the number that have gone missing, that is the 3 over here. Now let's see how we can solve this. I have took here three example to solve this question. We will see one by one how we can solve this, okay. And this is the output array. I'm going to display it like this as per they have mentioned. First one will be the number that have occurred twice. I will took it as array, I mean integer a, and b as the number that have gone missing. To solve this question, I'm going to use map. Let me create a map, okay, like this. And I will for now take the example of this array over here. Let's see how we can enter this. So now I'm going to enter all the digits that are being present in the map. So it is going to be like this 1 comma 2 comma 4, and also I am going to show the frequency of this number occurred like this. I mean, for example, here for 1, how many times 1 have been occurred? 1 times. 2, how many times they have been occurred? 2 times. And 4, how many times it have been occurred? Oops, 1 time. Am I correct? So I'm going to insert all the digits in the map, and in accordingly corresponding to that I'm going to save its frequency too. That is 1 time, 2 time it occurred, and 4 time it have been occurred. Good till now. Now next one is too easy. Like they have been mentioned over here, it is going to be from 1 to n, this array. So we are going to use a for loop, okay. And this for loop I am going to run from I is equal to 1, okay, to I less than nums dot size. So what is the size of the nums? Size of the nums is 4 as per this question, okay. So the loop is going to run by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. This 4 numbers it's going to take. Good till now. Let me put it over here, and after this there will come two condition, two if condition. Why two if condition? For this first position and the second position a and b, two if condition it will come, okay. So if this map of I is going to be equal to 0, first I will take as 2 is equal to 2, then I will consider it for a. And if m of I is equal to 0, okay, then I will consider it for b. Fair enough. Let me explain. What I've told you, look at this. It is going to run, the loop is going to be run by 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 as per this I equal to 1 to less than, oops, here it will be equal to, okay. First, let's go with m equal to 1, map of 1. If I is equal to 1, then let's see what the 1 value is having 1. Is it having 2? Then it won't come as A. Okay. Now, here I will become 1. Yes, I is equal to 0 over here. The frequency is I equal to 0. No, this will also won't come. Then it will go to the second value, that is 2. And here also it will become 2. Is 2 is equal to 2 as per the first condition? Yes, so A will become 2. And then is m of sorry, if map of I 2 is equal to 0? No, then it won't change. Then it will come to 3. Okay, is 3 is equal to 2? No, so A value is not going to change. And the second one, if 3 is equal to 0, yes, it is 0, then B will become 3. So A have become 2 and B have become 3. So have we got our answer over here, that is 2 comma 3? Yes, we have got our answer. Let's see to the code how it works. As per I have said, I am going to take A and B like this over here, first integer for the answer, and in the end I am going to return that value as A comma B with curly braces. Okay. Then what I have told, I am going to take a map. I have took a map. I have took another map. Okay. End comma end, first for the value, this values, and second one for the frequencies, this one. Good. Now I will run a for loop for entering these values in the map. I have run a for loop and then I have entered the frequency also of each of the number. Good. Then as per I have said, I am going to run a for loop from 1 to nums dot size. So it is going to run from 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and as per the dry run we have check over here, these are the two conditions that I'm going to apply. It's, as you can see, it's totally same. I have nothing changed. First one, if I is equal to 2, then make the value for A over here, as you can see, and if I is equal to 0, make the value it for B, and we are going to return it. Let's run this. I've submitted it. Look, it have got submitted perfectly, as you can see over here. Okay. You can try this two questions also by this dry run. It's going to be the same. Okay. You can just do a dry run. It's a best practice to dry run and check every run and code. Try the same code with this question too, I will suggest. Okay. Thank you for watching the video and let's meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.